Hey, future job hunters. Welcome back to TikTok Answers. If you've ever wondered how to make a standout impression before even getting an interview, today's topic is tailor-made for you. Dive in as we unravel the art of crafting a captivating cover letter. Time to make your first impression, a lasting one. Understanding the purpose. Remember, a cover letter isn't just a formality. It's your chance to introduce yourself, explain your passion, and give context to your resume. Think of it as your personal pitch, not just a letter. Research is key. Before you pen down anything, research the company and role. Understanding the company's values, culture, and mission can give you a competitive edge. Speak their language. Opening with a bang. Grab attention from the get-go. Start with a powerful introduction that highlights a key achievement or experience relevant to the job. Did you increase sales by 20% in your last role? Let them know. Tailoring your content. Avoid generic statements. Tailor your cover letter for each job application. Highlight specific experiences and skills that align with the job description. Show your passion. Employers want to hire people who are genuinely interested. Share why you're excited about the role and how your passions align with the company's objectives. Keep it concise. A compelling cover letter isn't an essay. Aim for 3 to 4 concise paragraphs. Be direct, be relevant, and always be authentic. Closing with confidence. End on a positive note. Express your eagerness to discuss your application further and thank the hiring manager for their time. Proofread. Errors can be costly. Proofread your cover letter multiple times. Better yet, have a friend or mentor review it for a fresh perspective. Conclusion. Crafting a compelling cover letter can be the key to landing your dream job. With research, passion, and precision, you can present a version of yourself that resumes alone can't convey. So, aspiring professionals, gear up, write with conviction, and as always, strive for excellence. Until our next tip session.